Hey everyone, my name is Contessa and this is my website. So my business is called Red Rock Watches, which is kind of a mouthful. Um, but essentially this is what you see when you come to the website. I've got definitely a desert color scheme going on that matches this picture in the background, and then a banner right in your face that talks about that we sell Apple Watches, and there's a summer collection going on right now. Most sites usually have an announcement or some line that they're featuring, so I wanted that to be one of the first things that people see. So you've got a shop now button right here that takes you right to the shop page. And then down here you've got more of a description of the summer collection. Again, another button that takes you to the shop page. And then over here we've got a little bit of a slideshow that shows some featured products that we have, and a button that takes you directly to the product page. When you scroll down, there's a footer where customers can place their email and sign up for updates and sales promotions, whatever I send out. And then over here, some more tabs that take you to the same place that these do, but there's a lot of repetition in the links at the bottom, I've noticed on most websites. So if we scroll up, you've got tabs, just about 5. We didn't want too many, but if you hit shop, it takes you right over to the watch bands that we sell. So we've got the summer collection, and then here's the feature watch bands. As you scroll down, there's also some like an older line, a classic one that looks more like a normal like analog watch band. So if people don't want like silicone or something, they can still get, there's a variety of products basically. So every watch has a details tab, so if we click on that, it'll take us to the product description and all the features. So obviously I'm like $1,700 is insane for a silicone watch band, but I didn't actually want to sell anything, so I figured this was a good way to deter people. But yeah, here's the description, some super fine details about the watches, and then like care instructions, the ability to pick what size for the band, and then you can add it to the cart. Every page has the same footer, so if for some reason they suddenly want to add their email here, they can. And then if we head to the blog, I'm on my sister's Wi-Fi, which is not great. So I just added this past week for project 5 and 6, so there's really not much here, but once there's some blog posts, this would really help with my keywords and my SEO, just because as of right now, there's not a lot of text on my site. So that's pretty much the blog. If you hit the About tab, this is me. There's not much info because I'm not continuing this business after this class, but if I wanted to add way more, I totally can. And so you've got that, and then the contact tab. So this is super important because you want to make sure your customers have a chance to keep in touch with you or ask any questions and feel like they're taken care of. So we've got an email and a phone number. And I'll show you the checkout page real quick. So here's the summary, the total, and then checkout. They can enter their card info and stuff. So I did everything through Weebly. I liked it for the most part. There's only a couple things that I could complain about, but it was pretty self-explanatory for all of us. So that's my website. Thanks for checking it out.